Hello, little learners. Today, we will learn some easy words that you can use every day. These words help us talk about things around us, what we do, and how we feel. Let's explore these fun words together. Apple. Apple. An apple is a yummy fruit we eat. Ball. Ball. A ball is fun to throw and catch. Cat. Cat. A cat is a soft animal that says meow. Dog. Dog. A dog is a friendly pet that barks. Sun. Sun. The sun gives us light and keeps us warm. Moon. Moon. The moon shines in the sky at night. Star. Star. Stars twinkle in the night sky. Car. Car. A car helps us travel to places. Bus. Bus. A bus carries many people to different places. Train. Train. A train moves fast on tracks. Hat. Hat. A hat protects our head from the sun. Shoe. Shoe. We wear shoes to protect our feet. Chair. Chair. A chair is for sitting comfortably. Table. Table. A table is where we eat or put things. Cup. Cup. A cup holds water or juice to drink. Spoon. Spoon. A spoon helps us eat food easily. Door. Door. A door opens to let us go inside. Window. Window. A window lets in fresh air and sunlight. Book. Book. A book has stories and pictures to read. Pen. Pen. A pen helps us write words. Bag. Bag. A bag carries our books and toys. Clock. Clock. A clock tells us the time. Fan. Fan. A fan keeps us cool when it's hot. Light. Light. A light helps us see in the dark. House. House. A house is where we live with family. Tree. Tree. A tree gives us shade and fresh air. Flower. Flower. A flower is colorful and smells nice. Water. Water. We drink water when we feel thirsty. Milk. Milk. Milk makes our bones strong. Bread. Bread. We eat bread for breakfast. Egg. Egg. An egg is a healthy food to eat. Fish. Fish. A fish swims in the water. Bird. Bird. A bird can fly high in the sky. Duck. Duck. A duck says quack and swims in water. Cow. Cow. A cow gives us milk to drink. Horse. Horse. A horse can run very fast. Sheep. Sheep. A sheep has soft wool on its body. Hand. Hand. We use our hands to hold things. Leg. Leg. We use our legs to walk and run. Eye. Eye. We see everything around us with our eyes. Nose. Nose. We smell flowers and food with our nose. Ear. Ear. We hear music with our ears. Mouth. Mouth. We eat food using our mouth. Happy. Happy. We feel happy when we smile and play. Sad. Sad. We feel sad when we lose something. Big. Big. An elephant is big and strong. Small. Small. A tiny ant is small but smart. Fast. Fast. A rabbit runs very fast. Slow. Slow. A turtle walks very slow. Rain. Rain. Rain makes everything wet and helps plants grow.